Hi guys, my name is Filip and I want to show you how to set up an online shop for NFTs. With the help of a plugin from Tatum, it is really easy to use and ready to go in a few minutes. As you can see, I chose WordPress as the content management system. You can either download the software from the internet and upload it on your server, or you choose a hosting provider doing this process for you via the so-called one-click install. It is more convenient to use and actually offered by most of the providers. I prepared it up to this point. If you need help, there are many tutorials on the internet explaining this process probably much better than me. Because WordPress is a system for blogging, you have to install the plugin WooCommerce, which adds all the shop system functionalities you need. Just go to Plugins, Add New, search for it, install it, and finally activate it. That's it. The setup wizard helps you with the most important data like your address, the industry, and products you want to sell. Since we want to sell digital products, we should make the choice accordingly. Here, just some more data to fill in. Finally, we can choose a design or theme for our shop. There are thousands of beautiful themes which work very well, but for our purpose the standard WooCommerce theme storefront is enough. That was the first important plugin we had to install. Let's come to the second one, which is called NFT Maker by Tatum. It's the plugin enabling us to sell NFTs in our WooCommerce store. Same procedure as with WooCommerce, just without the setup mask. And here you can finally see all the plugins we installed so far. Now let us have a look into the NFT plugin. As we see, we already accomplished the first step, installing the WooCommerce plugin. Now the plugin asks us to get our API key so that Tatum can mint the NFTs we create. In sum, there are 4 plans offered. I decided to purchase the cheapest paid plan to test the plugin properly. After typing in all the billing information, you can set up the API key, give it a name you recognize later, keep the mainnet, and go on. After going through the checkout process, you can see the API key on the dashboard and finally copy it to the clipboard. Go back to your setup wizard in WordPress, paste it, and finish the setup. Congratulations, your shop is ready to go. Let's create our first NFT product. We do it in Product, Add New, give it a name, a price of course, and then select the chain we want our NFT to be minted on. For our purposes, I chose Polygon due to the low gas fee in comparison to the other chains. But as you can see, Tatum is offering you a bunch of different chains you can publish on. Now we choose the image, which will be sold as the NFT. After publishing it, we can check if our NFT is created. Be careful here, it hasn't been minted yet, so it's not on the chain at this point. This only happens after the product is actually purchased by a customer. Let's try it out. So there's our first NFT of our shop and ready to be put into the basket. The checkout process stays the same with one exception. Your Matic address, of course. In my case, I created my Matic address in MetaMask, where I will search for it and copy it into the corresponding field. All the other information are already typed in. Just one thing here. By default, there might not be set up a payment method which is necessary to accomplish the whole checkout process. You can easily activate it in the WooCommerce settings in the register card payments. Now let's place the order and have a look into the backend. In orders, you will find the order you placed a few moments ago. If you click on it, you see all the details you have been asked for in the checkout process, including the Matic address. By default, there are no automatic workflows set up in WooCommerce, so we have to set the next status automatically, assuming that we got paid by the customer. As soon as the order is processing, the NFT will be finally minted on the chain. It can take a few seconds, so no worry. If the NFT is successfully minted, you can check either back in the NFT maker or on Polygon Scan as well. For that, I search for the address I put into the checkout process, and there we can find it again. A third option to check the NFT is OpenSea, which is the biggest marketplace for NFTs. Because there might be many NFTs related to the sky on OpenSea, I am typing in the exact name of the picture I uploaded on WordPress. And there we are. Elon Musk is ready to be traded. That's it. As you see, developers are working on really easy to use solutions for the implementation of blockchain technology. Today, we set up an online shop for NFTs. I hope you enjoyed the video and I wish you a nice day.